Welcome back. In my previous video, we had taken few numerical sums based on substitution method, wherein we had discussed exercise 7.2. So today we'll start with integration using trigonometric identities. As I mentioned in my first video also, giving for the introduction of indefinite integrals, I gave you the subtopics which we'll be discussing in this chapter. The first part which I completed was the standard results, followed by we went for method of substitution, and today we'll go for using trigonometric results, how to integrate the given function. Normally, when we say using trigonometric functions or using trigonometric basic identities, we would like to go for integration of, the main target here is, we would like to go for integration of sine square x. Similarly, I can say it is cos square x. Then I can go for integration of tan square x. Okay, integration of secant square, integration of cot square, integration of cosecant square x. How to integrate these functions? Wherein, if I remember or if I expect the answer from you, definitely this part we have discussed and this part we have discussed. These two are standard results. The answer itself is ready for us. I can take the answer as tan x plus c, integration of secant square. It's a ready-made answer. It's an antiderivative. So the answer is straight away, but normally our discussion ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ terms ಕೂಡ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. Tan square x also already I given a clue for you to be taken as secant square x. I hope you remember secant square x minus 1, and then the terms are ready for integration. Cot square also I hope you remember to be taken as cosecant square x minus 1. Okay, respect to x we can integrate. How about left out two terms, I should say sine square and cos square. So these two terms basically we make use of a trigonometric result. But overall, we go for all the 6 trigonometric function whose square is given to us, and the question is how to integrate. After squaring, further we move on for how to go for integration of sine cube x, then similarly cos cube, tan cube, then secant cube, then cosecant cube, then cot cube. Similarly, I can go for integration of sine raised to 4x, cos raised to 4x, tan raised to 4x, and so on. So, such type of function, how to integrate, this is the main target wherein we will be discussing here. And to go for this, we would like to use the basic trigonometric results we are going to use. Trigonometric results we are going to use, which includes multiple formulas as well as transformation formulas. Trigonometric result, especially multiple and submultiple angles which are done PUC first year, as well as transformation formula. I hope you remember transformation formula, isn't it? Where we had converted product to sum and sum to product. So this time product is not required because integration, in the case of integration, UV is not accepted, product is not accepted. So definitely we go for transformation formula such as sin A cos B is equal to what? Followed by cos A sin B is equal to cos A cos B as well as sin A sin B. So such transformation formula where product to sum is considered, those formulas as well as multiple, submultiple, these formulas will be using here trigonometric result to speak about integration of, just now what I mentioned, sine square, cos square, okay, tan square, all these one, including cube as well as raised to 4. Similarly, even you can think about raised to 5, okay, you can think about raised to 6, okay, raised to 7, and so on. Okay, so integration of these terms, but according to the syllabus point of view, they have taken only sine square up to cube up to raised to 4. So squaring cube as well as raised to 4. Up to this part, the numerical sums has been taken, but there is no harm in discussing raised to 5. If these all concepts are clear to you, definitely can think about what should be done for integration of sine raised to 5, sine raised to 5, sine raised to 6, similarly sine raised to 7, and so on. Okay. So today we'll start with the first part, that is just as I mentioned. Let's move on for. So these results, this is theory part as well as numerical sum also. So to be remembered. So question is once again, integrate respect to x. First question, it is sine square x. So integration of sine square x. How best we can do this? See, at the most sine square x can be taken as sine x into sine x. But we know it very well. In the case of integration, UV product, as far as possible, we try to avoid the situation and we would like to convert the product back to sum. Andre, integration of u plus v irbodu, integration of u plus v or minus v, we accept a lot. Easily we can go for integration process rather than uv. This is the last option given to us. Yenu malik baralla anದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ uv ನಾವು product ನ claim ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, and this is done with a new rule, that is by parts, which will be discussed at the end. So u plus v is the main target here. So similarly, sin square x can be taken here because in the submultiple relation we have the formula. So this formula you need to remember. What's the formula in submultiple? It is 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to, I hope you remember formula. It is 2 sin square theta. So target is sin square theta. So can you rearrange it for sin square theta? Sin square theta is equal to 2 is transferred. We are left out with 1 by 2. 2 transferred. Whole divided by 2. This whole divided by 2 can be taken as LCM for the individual term. We are left out with 1 by 2 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So integration of this term sin square x in terms of x, let me discuss here, can be taken as 1 by 2 minus cos. Please make a note, theta, then we expect here 2 theta. Double of this angle. If at all I have here 4 theta, then definitely this should be taken as cos double, that is 2 times of 4 theta, 8 theta. So right now we are discussing for x. Shortly in numerical part they may ask you integration of sin square. X ne kelbekantilla. They may ask you 3x. They may ask you 4x. Same formula I'm going to use here. Only this term, angle you have to balance, and again same relation will be used. Only angle you have to balance and then come for integration. Anyway, shortly I'll go for that part discussion also. Let's first have a simple example, that is sin square x. This relation can be taken as 1 by 2 minus cos double of this, that is 2x whole divided by 2. Ishti divided by malik hobadi. This is cos function divided by 2. Okay. Now 1 by 2 is constant term. With respect to x, we would like to integrate. Cos 2x is also ready for integration. 1 by 2 is constant. So integration can be done at this stage, provided if you know this relation, sin square x can be taken with this, we can balance it, and now it's eligible for integration. So we are left out with integration of 1 by 2 with respect to x is x by 2 athwa 1 by 2 into x, you can write, minus kept as it is. What's integration of cos 2x? It is sin 2x divided by x coefficient 2. Leaving this 2, we have another 2 occurring in denominator. So we have into 2. So we are left out with, okay, plus c, integration completed. So indefinite. So we have to say plus c here. Now at this stage, whatever simplification we can do it, let's simplify it. We are left out with x by 2 minus sin 2x whole divided by 4 plus c. To be remembered, I'm not asking you to remember the whole conclusion here, but this step, see, whenever we have integration of sin square x, say we have to use the formula 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Remember this formula. Modify it for sin square, rearrange it, check out for the angle, what they given angle. Remember theta goes to 2 theta. So here also x to be taken for double, balance the relation, and then go for integration process. So let's move on for integration of cos square x. As I mentioned earlier also, theory part as well as numerical sum. Okay. So this method you remember, and whatever the question is given, accordingly you have to write the answer. So let's go for integration of cos square x then. So which relation comes in your mind? Product is not allowed, and definitely I would like to go for submultiple formula, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Remember this result, wherein we need to modify it for cos square theta. So cos square theta is equal to 2 balanced. We are left with 1 by 2 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So using this relation, we have integration of 1 by 2 plus, it is cos. Please make a note here, theta moves for double, 2 theta, angle part. So accordingly we have x. So I need to balance here, we have cos 2x whole divided by 2. Now this is ready for integration, as well as this part is also ready for integration. Let's go for integration. We are left out with x by 2. With respect to x we are integrating, plus here integration of cos 2x is sin 2x whole divided by 2 into 2 plus c. So we are left out with x by 2 plus sin 2x denominator 4 plus c should be the answer. Third question, we have integration of tan square x. So tan square, right, in my first, second, third video also we discussed, earlier also we discussed. Okay, so I had asked you tan square theta to be taken in terms of a secant square. So we have to remember the relation. First class kuda, and if I remember, if I'm correct, I had asked you to write this in your that answer, that formula page book also. I made you to go for one page. I asked you to keep one page blank, and there I had asked you to rewrite this relation. So tan square x can be taken as secant square theta minus 1 in terms of theta. So here I can rewrite it as it's integration of secant square x minus 1 respect to x. So this is done because we know it very well. Integration of secant square is ready, available. It is standard result, and the answer we know it very well. It is tan x plus c. So once again my question is, ಯಾವ term ready the integration ige? Okay, I hope you remember the chart which I had given to you, and so here is the chart. So here we have standard formula. This paper had asked you to write all the formula and keep it ready. So integration of which all terms are ready? Sin x is ready, cos x, secant square, cosecant square, sec into tan, cosec into cot, e raised to x, a raised to x, x raised to n, 1 by x. Okay, I hope you remember all the results here. 1 upon root of 1 minus x square, 1 upon 1 plus x square. So along with these, even I asked you the same result. Sin x can be taken in terms of linear sin ax plus b. Okay, so these all terms I had asked you to write and keep this paper ready, isn't it? I hope this paper is ready with you now. So these all terms, and integration of tan also we are done, cot also we are done, secant x and cosecant x in term based on substitution method we have done it. So along with this result, we would like to go for integration of sin square, how to do it, which formula to be used, cos square, how to use it. Okay, shortly we'll be filling up using trigonometric results. Okay, this column we are going to fill it right now. So to fill this column, let's go for the first, let's have some discussion, and then we'll come back with that paper and we'll fill one more set of formulas there. So I was here, and remember what should be done for sin square now. Just to recollect, sin square to be taken as using the relation 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Formula to be remembered. And accordingly put all the steps and modify it. Okay. But this step in integration of cos 2x integration of cos 2x you need to remember. I am asking you only modification. But after doing the modification, integration has to be done using standard results only. So whenever we find integration of cos square x, say we have to use the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Whenever we have integration of tan square theta, tan square x with respect to x, then say we have to use the formula tan square theta can be taken as secant square theta minus 1. So this has been taken here. We have integration of secant square x minus 1, and integration of secant square to be taken as tan x. Minus 1 we have respect to x I need to integrate. So let's balance it. We have minus x plus c should be the answer. How about integration of cot square x? Okay, to be taken as cot square x to be taken as cosecant square x minus 1, which I taken here. And therefore I should say it is okay, integration of cosecant square to be remembered, it is minus cot x minus kept as it is, integration of 1 is x plus c. So fifth result, what about the integration of a secant square x? I hope you remember this formula. It is a standard result. But idana hege tagobeku? Idana 1 plus tan square is secant square. Hage 1 plus tan square tagobeka? No. Wherever the terms are ready to integrate, just integrate. So after seeing this part, you should say, you should have this type of expression. It is ready to integrate. Integration of cosecant square is ready to integrate. ಇದನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಕೂತ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ, ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಸೊ ವೆರೆವರ್ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ LHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ದ RHS. I expect you people to identify, see this LHS term carefully. Whenever we have these terms, no, you should say the terms are ready to integrate. This you need to identify. Once you will start identifying these LHS term, then easily you can think about RHS here. To some extent, you'll get the confidence that I can integrate. So LHS term ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಿಮ್ ಕಣ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus tan square theta ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ, ಇದನ್ನ 1 plus cot square theta. It's ready to integrate. So please make a note, and especially I have seen many of the students 1 upon 1 plus x square ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಗೆ. But they will be thinking what I should put, substitution ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ. Clear picture we have integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square, but many of them will be stuck at this stage. They can't identify that this whole thing is ready for a standard result to be taken as tan inverse x plus c, ready for integration. But you can't identify this term. When you can't identify this term, I cannot expect the answer part from you all, no? So please have a glance on this. Okay? So back to here. So here we have integration of cosecant square x. I hope you remember it's a standard result to be taken as minus cot x plus c. So after completing squaring, let's move on for cube here. We are left out with integration of sine cube x with respect to x. So for sine cube, what should be done? Which result we can use? I hope you remember one more formula we had discussed, that is sine 3 theta formula. Sine 3 theta is equal to what? Recollect. It is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. So in this result, sine cube theta is our required term, and with respect to sine cube theta, I would like to balance. So minus 4 we have, I transfer it here, which makes plus 4 sine cube theta. Balance it properly. Here we are left out with as it is 3 sine theta. This sine 3 theta has been transferred. You can imagine this is minus sine 3 theta. Minus 4 sine cube theta has been taken towards LHS. Minus vanishes. We have plus sign. So we are left out with plus 4 sine cube theta, because this part I would like to balance in terms of sine 3 theta and sine theta, which are ready to integrate. Are you getting it? Fine. So this relation you have to remember. Whenever you see integration of sine cube theta, sine cube x, say we have the formula. Which formula comes in your mind? Sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta nenapagatte. Got it? Fine. But after writing this formula, you have to manipulate this relation. You have to speak about the sine cube theta in terms of sine cube theta. So balance it here properly. We have plus 4 sine cube theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. Let's go for sine cube theta. For the numerical coefficient transferred, we are left out with 3 by 4 sine theta minus 4 transferred. I should say it is 1 by 4 sine 3 theta. So this relation you can remember, but normally the students will find difficult to remember this result. So better option I find, I ask you to go for this, and followed by just balance it. We have this relation. So sine cube x can be taken as, the question can be taken as integration of 3 by 4 sine x minus 1/4 of sine 3x with respect to x. Now sine 3x, is it ready to integrate? 3 by 4 is constant. Sine 3, integration of sine x, is it ready to integrate? Integration of sine 3x, is it ready to integrate? Yes, the terms are ready to integrate now, and moreover we have minus sign in between. So integration can be taken for the first function, minus for the second function. So integration rules are also valid here as well as standard result we are getting right now. So integration is possible. So 3 by 4 here kept as it is, whereas integration of sine x to be taken as minus, I hope you can see this, minus cos x. Minus kept here actually, we have 1 by 4, but integration of sine 3x is another minus, minus into minus plus. We have cos 3x whole divided by x coefficient 3 need to be mentioned plus c. So integration is completed here. So we are left out with minus 3 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 4 3 is 12, cos 3x plus c should be the answer. It's one method to solve here. Maybe in a few texts you can, or method I am giving. Integration of sine cube x can also be taken under substitution. It's one more option given, but not compulsory. Whichever it's comfortable for you, please go ahead. So for sine cube x, we can take it as sine x into sine square x, where sine square x can be taken as 1 minus cos square x. So at this stage, I find that cos differentiation is sin x. Cos differentiation is sin x. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ substitution method na claim ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Substitution ಅಂತಂದಾಗ cos square x is equal to t ಹಾಕು ತಪ್ಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 minus cos square x is equal to t ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಹಾ ತಪ್ಪು. Only cos derivative I find here as sin x. So I should claim only put cos x is equal to t, and I can I can try for substitution method here. So one option which just now I mentioned, use the submultiple relation, or you can go for, this is also correct option only, this is also correct method only. You can find both, anyone in any of the reference book. So we have sine into sine square to be taken as 1 minus cos square, and now substitution method we are claiming here cos derivative sin x. So I balanced it here, put cos x is equal to t, differentiation of cos x, I'm asking differentiation, not integration. Okay, it is minus sin x. Differentiation is minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. So we are left out with sin x with respect to x can be replaced by sin x with respect to x can be balanced with minus transfer minus dt, that is integrated with respect to t. So let's come back with the I here. I is equal to integration of sin x with respect to x can be replaced as minus of dt. Left out we have 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square. So this is ready for integration. Minus kept outside here. I have taken for term by term minus u minus v, integration of 1 with respect to t. Okay, I have even opened the bracket also. Be careful, minus v is outside. Minus into minus we have plus. We have integration of t square with respect to t. So integration of 1 with respect to t, it is minus t plus integration of t square. It is t raised to 3, denominator 3 plus c. T will be replaced back. We are left out with here minus cos x plus we have cos cube x whole divided by 3 plus c should be the answer. So once again, let me convince you that these two terms are one and the only one. In cos 3 theta formula again, cos 3 theta also we have formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Our relation use madidre nodi 3x na tagodu x in terms hakidre definitely that formula, this relation and this relation both are one and the only one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. These two terms are one and the only one using trigonometric formulas. So what's your job? Your job is to integrate the given function in a proper way, in a proper method, maybe substitution, maybe formula, but the terms which you are claiming here, these terms should be standard results only. So which are standard result? Once again the same list. Only those results we have, 1 by x, x raised to n, whatever, e raised to x, a raised to x, okay? Only those, whatever we have around 9 to 10, what we have the short list, or maybe around 14, 15, including inverse trigonometry, what we have the list. Those results only you need to drag it here and go for integration. So method you have to remember. Method, okay? Fine. So this is to be remembered for sine cube x, integration of sine cube x. So let's move on for integration of cos cube x. So integration of cos cube x with respect to x. Again, I given two options here. Whichever it is convenient for you can go ahead. But the first option, I would like to go for a submultiple relation. Which formula comes to your mind? Cos 3 theta. What is cos 3 theta? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Where cos cube theta need to be balanced. So anyway, it is plus sign. So I kept the term as it is only here. This term I transferred. You can imagine this term. So we have 4 cos cube theta is equal to, it is cos 3 theta plus here 3 cos theta, which I balance it here. So we have 4 cos cube theta is equal to cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. So this term has been kept here only. The main intention here, it's already occurring as positive, so I not transfer it here. This term I transferred and I retain this term as it is. So balance it properly. So we are left out with 4 cos cube theta is equal to so and so relation, and here cos cube theta can be taken as 4 transferred. We have 1 by 4 cos 3 theta plus 3 by 4 cos theta. Now this relation is a product to sum, where this relation is standard result, ready to integrate. This relation is a better option for integration process rather than the given function. So let's go for integration of cos cube x. To be taken as 1/4 of cos 3x plus 3 by 4 times of cos x. 1 by 4 kept as it is. Integration of cos 3x to be taken as sin 3x by 3 4s are 3 is coefficient. 3 4s are 12. Plus 3 by 4 kept as it is. Integration of cos x sin x plus c completes the answer. No more simplification to be done. Keep the answer as it is. Or option, you can even think about substitution here, which just now we had done it for sin cube also. So integration of cos cube can be taken as cos x into cos square x. Cos square to be taken as 1 minus sin square x. Remember, only sin x derivative is minus cos x. Sorry, plus cos x. Sin x derivative is cos x ಅಂದಾಗ sin square ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Substitution claim ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ put ಅನ್ನೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ 1 minus sin square ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇವ್ರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ let's make a target of only sin x. Put sin x is equal to t. Differentiation of sin x, cos x with respect to x can be replaced by dt. So everything back in this, and let's verify what I reduces to now. I is equal to, we have here 1 minus sin square, it's 1 minus t square, cos x with respect to x is replaced by dt. So we have integration of 1 as t minus integration of t square is t cube by 3 plus c should be the answer. Replace it back, we find sin x minus sin cube x by 3 plus c should be the answer. Let's move on for integration of tan cube x. Now when the question is asked for integration of tan cube x, please don't say the formula tan 3 theta. No, tan 3 theta ಅಂತ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ cos 3 theta ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ sin 3 theta ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ tan 3 theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ formula is valid, but that formula will not drag tan cube theta in terms of plus or minus. Plus or minus ಅಲ್ಲಿ reduce ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So tan 3 theta formula will not work out here. So only one option is, okay, this is only one option here. So don't say tan 3 theta. No, you can just cross check that answer. Tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Numerator, denominator, all the terms we have. So we cannot make tan cube in terms of u plus or minus v. So tan 3 theta formula fails for reducing this given function here. So at the most I can go for tan x into, tan x into tan square x. Tan square x can be taken as secant square x minus 1. Isn't it? Now on this part, let's go for splitting. Ille ನೀವು differentiation of tan is secant square. ಇದರ derivative ಇವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ this is not independent term. So ನಾನು put ಅಂತ claim ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ differentiation of secದಲ್ಲಿನ differentiation ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರೆ sec into tan ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ we cannot go at this stage, we cannot claim substitution. We cannot say put. What best we can do? Well, let's go for term by term. We find tan x into secant square x minus, it is here tan x, we have left it with minus integration of tan x, which I taken term by term. So integration of tan x, I hope remember it's ready formula. Integration of tan x, what's the answer? It's log mod sin x. It's ready formula. After seeing this term, you should say, yeah, this is ready to eat now. This term is ready to eat. Okay. Whereas here we find differentiation of tan is secant square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitution claim ಮಾಡೋಣ. Put tan x is equal to t. We have secant square x with respect to x is dt. So I goes to now. First part will be under substitution. So the integration of t with respect to t minus, it is integration of tan x kept as it is. Please make a note. First part is integrated with respect to t. Second part is integrated with respect to x. Okay? Yeah. So integration of t will be done as t square by 2 minus integration of tan x is taken as log mod sin x plus c. But t will be replaced back. Illi replace malik illa. It's with, in terms of x only. Yeah. So let's go for here. We had t to be taken as tan square x whole divided by 2 here minus log mod sin x plus c should be the answer. So this method, remember how to integrate tan cube x. Tan cube x to be taken as tan x into tan square x. Tan square to be taken as secant square x minus 1. Then term by term multiplication will modify the function to standard result to be remembered. These steps you can remember. You can have your own steps here. You can have your own steps. You can have your own explanation part for this, and you can remember it accordingly. So let's move on for, okay, similarly we can think about cot cube also. So integration of cot cube x to be taken as cot x into cot square x. Cot square to be taken as cosecant square x minus 1. Then what next? Term by term multiplication, we have integration of cot x into cosecant square x minus we have cot x with respect to x. Substitution, and this is standard result. So put cot x is equal to t, we have minus cosecant square x is equal to dt by dx. We have cosecant square with respect to x minus dt. So integration we are left out with minus. This part is t. Everything is with respect to minus dt. Minus kept as it is here. This minus kept as it is with integration of cot x. So integration of t with respect to t should be taken as t square by 2 minus sign. Okay, what is integration of cot x? It's log mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c. So t will be replaced here. So final answer we expect here minus cot square x whole divided by 2 minus log mod of cosec x minus cot x plus c should be the answer for integration of cot cube x. Should be the answer. Okay. So please copy all these notes meanwhile. I hope you remember you have all these respective notes which I given right from video 1. Okay. So one more thing you can do. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಚಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಚಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 7.1 ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 7.2 ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಅವನ್ನ ಚಿಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್. Okay, then afterwards you put it in one box. Every day you select 10 questions. 10 ಚಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Or if time, of course I know time permits very well. Sufficient time you people have. You're just wasting your time at home. I know it, that very well. So 10 chits you pick it out and you should be eligible to solve these questions now. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು, ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಯು ಮೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಇಟ್. ನೋ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೈನ್ 3x ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ 3x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, put it in one box. Every day you select 5 questions, 5 to 10. Okay, you should be eligible to integrate. So integration is a continuous process. You have to be in touch with the formulas. Every day you have to repeat the formulas. Every day minimum, I should say, 1 hour, 2 hours you have to spend for this topic. Once you understood, it does not mean that madhya ನೀವು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. So don't give a gap when you're learning, or already if you're learned the whole integration part, don't give in between a gap. So be in touch with all the formulas. So you can just recollect what we have done for sin square. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ sin square x ಗೆ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಸಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ sin square x to be taken as ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to sin square theta and so on. cos square ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, tan square ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಾಗೆ sin cube, cos cube, tan cube. Okay, so let's move on for integration of secant cube x. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಕಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೀಕಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಸೆಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೀಕಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸೀಕಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದು ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಸದ್ಯ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಕಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, just for already we had discussed so many function, so I was in the same flow only. So I just thought let me go for this example also, but not in syllabus. Strictly not mentioned in a syllabus. By parts is there in the syllabus, but ಈ example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ example ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, fine. So by parts ಅಂತಂದಾಗ UV ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಕಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sec x into secant square ತಗೊಂಡು ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ UV ಗೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. So at the end of the this chapter, when I go for by parts rule ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ you can come back, you can watch this video once again. You can just mark it in, you can have some reference, and then afterwards you can just make a glance on this video. You can just play it and go through all the steps once again. So by parts rule ಏನಿದೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ರೂಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ನೋ, ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ UV we have rule no. Similarly, we have here integration of UV rule. What it says, first function kept as it is, integration of second function minus integration kept as it is. Illi product of first function differentiation into integration of second function ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ with respect to x. Nice game, no? You're going to enjoy this. Okay, fine. So first function integration of second function, first function integration of second function minus integrate with respect to x the product of differentiation of first function into integration of second function. So ಹಾಗಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೇನು ಕೂಡ ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ILATE rule. ILATE rule. So shortly we'll be discussing. So let's go for this is first function, this is second function. ಈ ರೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೀಕಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಕಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ minus integration symbol kept as it is, differentiation of first function I think I had done it here, integrate sec x, we have sec x into tan x into integration of second function, integration of second function you become step ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ, integration of secant square x is tan x. So let's multiply everything. This is differentiation of this function, this is integration of this function. So now let's multiply it here, and let's see here we are left with sec x, integration of secant square is available as tan x minus integration symbol kept as it is, sec x into tan square x with respect to x. So here we find tan square x can be taken as secant square x minus 1. Again term by term, and be careful about this minus and be careful about this minus. So we have minus integration of sec x into secant square secant cube x minus, okay, this symbol I kept as it is, minus sec x with respect to x. Now term by term I have multiplied. We have sec x into tan x kept as it is, minus integration of secant cube x kept as it is, minus into minus plus I take an integration for separate terms, Okay, integration of sec x with respect to x. Integration of sec x is available now. We're left out with integration of secant cube x, and this term itself was the question given to us. Isn't it? So the same function only we are trying to integrate here. So a question tirga bantu antandre, this question I can take it as I is equal to, and the same step I have balanced it here. Terms kept as it is, you can see here, minus, this itself is a question, so which I can take it as minus I. Plus, integration is done here for sec x, so it's log mod sec x plus tan x, minus I can be transferred here, which will give us 2i. I minus I transferred, 2i is equal to sec x into tan x, plus we have all the term kept as it is, plus c. So I is equal to the question itself, that is integration of secant cube x is equal to 2 transferred. We have half of the whole term left out, sec x into tan x plus log mod of sec x plus tan x plus c should be the answer. Not there given in your textbook, not mentioned in your syllabus, but by parts is there in your syllabus. Just to, because I was in the flow of sine cube, cos cube, tan cube, cot cube, I just thought let me go for sec cube also, an extra part which has been added. So not compulsory that you need to solve. Just have a look what the method we have taken. Similarly, can try for integration of cosec cube x also. This is also done by parts. Got it? So in my next video, let me continue with integration of sine raised to 4x hege ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ integration of cos raised to 4x. Okay, next page we have. Okay, cos raised to 4x, tan raised to 4x. Okay, similar Restall function, how to go for integration using the again trigonometry results and so on. Let me continue it my next video. Thank you.